Hello, good morning, and welcome back to MD News. I'm Salwa Kayla, will bring you the most updated news. On Monday, November 13, 2023, in Vida Bekasi, a senior high school student got robbed by... We are currently in touch with reporter Ima on site. Ima?
Excuse me.
Yes,
What is your name?
Hanifa.
Miss Hanifa, as a witness, how did you see this incident?
What are got the perpetrator? Whereas a sudui bu is into what now? Got are part as good on that were person on of what wearing hijab and that was not.
At that time, Sasa, the victim, were riding a motorcycle in the middle of the road. She was immediately confronted by the two perpetrators, who was also using a motorcycle. The victim was shocked, and the perpetrators immediately took over the victim's motorbike away. Based on the CCTV footage, it is estimated that the perpetrators was a student.
Okay, let's move the victim. How do you feel, Miss Sansa, when you got the incident?
Personally, I got shocked and afraid of the gang of robbers, but I'm lucky because my physical condition is totally okay.
What can you say to people your age or the other?
Be careful whatever you're doing because we don't want will happen in next day.
Okay, thank you for your time. Have a good day.